How to remove head lice from dreadlocks. Removing lice from the hair and scalp usually involves the application of chemical pesticides and using a specialized comb to remove the nits. However, those are not good options for people with dreadlocks. Dreadlocks cannot be combed out, and pesticide products will be difficult to wash off completely. How to remove head lice from dreadlocks involves carefully selecting and applying products that won't harm your hair and scalp in the long run. Based on long, anecdotal evidence, these are the remedies that are known to work on dreadlocks. We have 3 methods, or 3 ways, you can remove head lice from dreadlocks. Watch all 3. Tincture of Larkspur. Larkspur, also known as delphinium, is a flowering plant that typically grows in temperate regions. In naturopathic medicine, it is commonly used in tinctures to treat parasites like lice and crabs. To remove head lice from dreadlocks, mix tincture of larkspur with vinegar. Apply this mixture by rubbing it into the scalp. Then wrap your hair in a towel and keep it on for 3 hours. After 3 hours, rinse off the solution and thoroughly shampoo your scalp. Doing this should get rid of the lice, but remaining nits may still hatch, and so it is recommended for you to repeat this process after 5 days. While doing this, you may expect some discomfort, similar to burning. That's typically true to the vinegar coming in contact with places in your scalp that lice must have bitten through. If the burning sensation becomes intolerable, wash off immediately and find another solution. Tincture of larkspur is incredibly effective, but not commonly found in stores. If you don't have any luck finding some, or if you found that it was too uncomfortable to use, you may want to try isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol is the most common rubbing alcohol available in all drugstores and groceries. To use this for head lice, select the ones that are made of 70 to 75% alcohol. You'll also need a shower cap or a plastic bag that you can wrap over your head. This treatment is best done in the shower or with your head over a sink. To treat your head lice with rubbing alcohol, squeeze the bottle over your head until your entire scalp is covered with alcohol. Then cover your head with a shower cap and leave it on for about 30 minutes. Once your timer is up, rinse it off and wash your scalp with shampoo. Like the tincture of larkspur, you'll need to do this again after 5 days to make sure that any lice hatched from remaining nits will also be killed. Tea tree oil. In 2018, Toxins published a study that demonstrated how tea tree oil has effective insecticidal properties. This makes it the most promising essential oil for treating head lice. Using tea tree oil to get rid of head lice from dreadlocks requires some rubbing alcohol and a spray bottle. Pour 4 ounces of 70 to 75% rubbing alcohol into the spray bottle and add 20 drops of tea tree oil. Place on the cap and shake vigorously until it is combined very well. Leave the mixture on your scalp for 12 hours before washing it off. If you're not comfortable using alcohol on your scalp, you can also use olive oil. This will give the additional effect of smothering and suffocating the lice. To use this treatment, combine 2 ounces of olive oil with 20 drops of tea tree oil. Use a cotton ball to spread it generously over your entire scalp. Like the alcohol, you'll need to leave this on for 12 hours before washing it off. Learning how to remove head lice from dreadlocks is important because it's not as simple as treating straight hair that can be combed. However, it can easily be done at home as long as you have the right products and you know what you're doing. With these home remedies, you can clear your dreadlocks of head lice for good. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.